which city of UAE will the Global Justice, Love and Peace Summit 2025 take place? A. Abu Dhabi. B. Sharjah. C. Dubai. D. Fujairah. Correct answer is Dubai. Dubai will host the inaugural Global Justice, Love and Peace Summit on April 12 to 13, 2025 at the Dubai Exhibition Centre, Expo City. Organized by the I Am Peacekeeper movement, the event will bring together 2,800 peacekeepers and 72 speakers, including 10 Nobel laureates and world leaders. Who signed the executive order withdrawing the United States from several UN organizations, including the UNHAC? A. Joe Biden. B. Donald Trump. C. Barack Obama. D. George W. Bush. Correct answer is Donald Trump. U.S. President Donald Trump on Tuesday signed an executive order to withdraw U.S. from several UN organizations, including the Human Rights Council, UNHAC, while initiating a comprehensive assessment of U.S. financial contributions to the multinational organization. The White House also withdrew from the primary UN Relief Organization for Palestinians, UNRWA, alongside a planned evaluation of involvement with the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO. Which country topped the global domestic flight load rankings in 2024? A. United States. B. China. C. India. D. Brazil. Correct answer is India. India has emerged as the global leader in passenger load factor, PLF, for domestic flights, recording an impressive 86.4% in 2024, surpassing the US, 84.1%, and China, 83.2%, according to the latest International Air Transport Association, IATA, report. India's booming aviation sector carried 16.3 crore domestic passengers in 2024, highlighting its rapid growth and efficiency. In which Indian state is the Ratnagiri archaeological site located? A. West Bengal. B. Odisha. C. Bihar. D. Jharkhand. Correct answer is Odisha. The recent discovery of 3 colossal Buddha heads, a giant palm, an ancient wall, and some inscriptions have underlined the significance of Ratnagiri in Odisha's Jajpur district as a prominent Buddhist historical site. The Archaeological Survey of India, ASI, has now decided to take up fresh surveys at the Ratnagiri Buddhist heritage site more than 60 years after it was first excavated. What was the original name of the Indian Army's Eastern Command headquarters before it was renamed Vijay Durg? Correct answer is Fort William. The Indian Army has renamed Kolkata's Fort William, the Eastern Command headquarters, as Vijay Durg to honor India's indigenous military heritage. Inspired by Maharashtra's Vijayadurg Fort, a Maratha naval stronghold, the December 2024 decision aligns with the government's decolonization efforts. Who launched the Watershed Yatra on 5th February 2025? A. Dr. Chandra Shekhar Pemasni. B. Shri Kamlesh Paswan. C. Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Correct answer is Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Union Minister Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan launched the Watershed Yatra, a nationwide mass outreach campaign aimed at raising awareness and encouraging participation in watershed development activities under the Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, WDCPMKSY 2.0. Which state was declared Naxal-free after the last Maoist surrendered in Chikmagaluru? A. Maharashtra. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Karnataka. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is Karnataka. A significant step has been made towards making Karnataka Naxal-free as another Naxalite, Kotahonda Ravindra, surrendered in Chikmagaluru district. Ravindra, classified as an A category Naxal, will receive a surrender package including financial aid and skill training. Which team won the inaugural World Pickleball League? A. Pune United. B. Bangalore Javans. C. Delhi Dynamos. D. Mumbai Mavericks. Correct answer is Bangalore Javans. Bangalore Javans created history by beating Pune United 3-1 to become the champions of the inaugural edition of the World Pickleball League, India's first franchise-based pickleball league. Which state won the gold medal in men's kabaddi at the 38th National Games? A. Maharashtra. B. Haryana. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Punjab. Correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh overcame a stiff challenge from Chandigarh in the men's kabaddi final at the 38th National Games to clinch the gold medal at the Yogasthali Khel Parisar, Roshnabad Stadium in Haridwar on Sunday, 2nd February. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.